Taji, and I'm back again with another video for y'all. Now, as I see by the time the thumbnail, you already know what type of video this is. But I'm finna go ahead and unbox my little package. New box came in. So I went and set y'all up on my PlayStation real quick. You know what I'm saying? Here's a little package. I don't know why they sent me a whole big box when the lens is just this small, bro. I'm on the phone with Jake right now, bro. He's trolling, bro. Like, he don't never be wanting to record nothing. So, here it is. I got the YN lens, know what I'm saying, from Amazon. Bro, let me tell y'all, bro. Jacob, bro, on the car right now, he's a Hall of Fame L-Mans. Like, I don't know nobody worse than him. Bro is really like DDG for real. Anyways, so this is the lens, know what I'm saying. It look good and small, compact, lightweight. I actually been trying to get a lens like this for a good little minute. Cause like the lens I got on right now, like the focal length is like not as much as I want. Like I want it to be like, I want a wide angle lens, and I finally bought one. Bought it on Amazon. It's a f1.8 wide angle lens, 11mm. Actually, I think this one might be 10. Before I actually put the lens on the camera, I'm gonna go ahead and put this little thing on. You know what I'm saying? Look all aesthetic. That look hard. I'm not gonna cap. That looks hard. Look, you look like the other lens we be taking pictures with. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and let me do the little transition. Y'all can see everything. Yo, how we feeling? Hold up. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, this is way better than this little lens right here. Hold up. Hold up. Let me go walk out with my dad real quick. Bro. You know what I say? It's compact. We good. I said it's not too laggy in the dark neither. Like, this lens hard. Okay, this is a good purchase. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, bruh. I'm most definitely proud of this purchase. This is a W buy. I'm not gonna lie. Bro. It ain't got the little, what's it called? Subject, I forgot what it's called. But bro, this is low-key, oh yeah. Now I need a new tripod. Let me see. Cause this one is horrible. You see all the rubber bands? Yeah, nah. Yo, wide angle lens for the win. Hold up. Alright. I'm gonna set y'all up in the same spot I just had y'all sit. Gosh, bro, I'm low-key feeling this wide angle lens though. Like, bro, what I need to get $1,000 one for? Cause I was really finna buy the Sony, the f1.8 lens. It's kind of the same. It's basically the same lens. It's just twice the price. But I was like, nah. Cause I looked up, reviews on this lens. People was like, this one's mad good. And I seen like it's side by side and they're almost identical. So I was like, for half the price, bro, this is most definitely a good buy. So I bought this, know what I'm saying? I've been reselling. I've been in that lab. Chat. After I sold, some stuff, I could have bought the whole lens. But me and my dad went half on it. I saved a little money, so now I could buy a little more stuff for more inventory. I thought it was like a zoom or something like that, but I don't know anything about this lens. So I'm gonna have to learn about it. But I guess I'm gonna just see and find out. Y'all gonna learn with me though. While I'm learning, then y'all just gonna see the content change up a little bit. Let me show y'all the retwist though. Like, I just got my hair did today. The lens touched down, bro. It's a good day, man. Bro, y'all look official, bro. See, now I can't wait to get some content, bro. I don't even know what I want to do tomorrow, but I'm finna just make something up, bro. I'm finna cook something up for y'all. Leave in the comments down below what y'all want to see more on the channel, because, man, I need more ideas. I'm not going to lie. I do need more ideas. Because we trying to make this content creation vision board come to life. No cap. Yeah, it's currently the next day. I'm finna go ahead and go to a Malachi game. Because he got a game today. And it's already like 4 p.m. But I was just in bed all day for real. Like, we was just chilling at the house today. Y'all should tap into my new channel. Well, it's really my old channel, but I'm finna reactivate it. I'm probably just gonna link it in the description of this video. Because I need to go ahead and get ready. I put on a good little white t-shirt on. Got the blue pants, some white socks. But I'm finna go ahead. Brush my teeth. It's been like 2 months since I had a retwist. I'm not gonna cap. Bro, it was like literally so painful last night. Like, bro, my head was pounding. Like, that's the worst thing about, whoa. That's the worst thing about getting retwist, bro. Like, it's the pain of it. Like, especially like my hair texture. Like, they always get knotted together. Like, come on, bro. My sister always talking about something pretty hurts, man. Not pretty though, but I say, you know. So I'm done with my little morning routine. Got all prepared, ready. But my sister's sitting there trying to get one on me. I gave my sister my AirPod Maxes, so she can go ahead and sell it at her college. And bro, I think she got the little AirPods sold. She's supposed to be giving me the money for that. She trolling, bro, cause she was like she needed it. She needed the cheese or something like that. So I was like, alright. Cause I'm not in a rush to get it. I don't need it right now. So she said she needed it. So I was like, alright, for sure. So you could just pay me whenever you can. But then I go and see her thing posting on Instagram these flashy pics in like some restaurants. I'm like, come on now, bro. She's trying to get one on me now. I'm finna come up to her school and give her the ones and twos, you heard? I made it back home. We went to stop that little cookout. So we went to that basketball game at to watch Lil Makai play. I thought it was Malachi playing today. I forgot it was Davey. I didn't even record us going to the game. I'm not gonna lie, but we made it back home. So I think go ahead, get ready and eat. I'm hungry. Bro, they getting fed, bro. They watching my videos too much. Bro, sooner or later I'm finna start streaming, y'all. Y'all stay tuned for that, bro. I'm finna start streaming, get the show on the road, and start posting on my backup channel. I don't know what I'm gonna be posting on my other channel for real. I'm probably gonna make a streaming channel that I post my live clips on, and then I'm gonna make, well, my other channel's already created, my old one. I'll probably gonna be putting like, you know, behind the scenes stuff on there, and like, I don't know, I might even record more travel. I need to figure out what I'm posting there. It's probably gonna be like my Taji Everything channel. So yeah, that's how we looking. Got my little tenders, my little quesadilla, but they quesadillas be so good. And then they stacked this up with the cookout sauce. Good morning, y'all. So it's currently the next day, but it's not even morning because it's already 3 p.m. I'm finna get ready to go to the gym or something because I've been in bed all day. It's a rainy day outside, so. But yeah, I've been in bed all day, so I gotta find something to do, man. So we finna go ahead and head down to the gym. I'm on the phone with my little son and little Jacob, man. What you mean you finna hang up? We made it to the gym now. Bro, it's freezing outside. We probably gotta start putting air in the balls soon, cause yeah, cause it's cold. Done at the gym now, bro. I'm burnt out. How you feeling?
Tired. Ready to go to bed?
Nah, I'm ready to go to bed, but we finna go. Are we gonna get some food or no? I don't know, but we finna go ahead and get ready to go to the Duke game, man. Cause it's at 9. So I got my little fit together. Let me see. I'm finna set y'all up. Let y'all see the fit check. Actually, let me see. Where should I put y'all? Nah, I'm saying something cool, calm and collected. I don't know if I should keep the neck up or roll it. I'm probably just gonna roll it. Yeah, keep it like that. Keep it like that. Something cool, calm and collected, man. So it's gonna be the fit for today. Put my little Cuban, a little rose gold, white gold Cuban. Okay, yeah, that's how you feeling.
We gotta get something over there.
Alright. I feel like this might be too OD. I should have put on something more chill.
Texas Steve.
We done got our little food. We done stopped at Jimmy John's. My dad got his sandwich. I got a kickin' chicken ranch. But now we, yeah, he got a Caesar wrap. But now we on the way to the game now. 8 minutes away. We gotta stop to get some eats. I ain't ate all day. This gonna be the first thing I eat today.
I was gonna ask you if you want to eat at the port.
Heck no, it's gonna be dummy expensive for a hot dog. It's gonna be 30 something for a hot dog and a drink. So we finally made it to the gym. Well, we not even at the gym. We at the parking garage, but we finna go ahead and walk over to the arena. I'm gonna leave my camera inside the car though, cause you know copyright purposes for college games. We finna go ahead over there. I'm picking my camera up when we get out. We out the game now. It's 11 p.m. bro. The game started at 9.
That game won't end until about 1 o'clock. All them timeouts.
So I'm saying they keep calling timeouts, bro, and they be sitting there forever. We didn't even finish the whole game. We didn't even finish the whole game. We was just there.
Still 14 minutes left.
Yeah, it was. It was still mad time left on that clock in the fourth quarter, but that game over. What's going on, y'all? It's currently the next day again, but this time I'm in the kitchen now because it's currently 6:53 the next day, and I'm in the kitchen now. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna meal prep the food that we want to eat tonight. I didn't do anything today, just like yesterday. It was just a pretty boring day, so I didn't record nothing. It wasn't too much for y'all to see. Like I was just at home all day. My dad, I think he's in Fayetteville, watching the middle school game, supporting the little players from his AAU team. But yeah, I was just in bed all day. I didn't do anything. I did my schoolwork though. I then cleaned up the chicken, and now I done seasoned it. I got the season mixed in. I've been mixing it up real good. Cause we get all the flavors in there, chat. We get all of them. I don't know what else I'm low-key thinking about adding the Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, I'm low-key thinking about adding the Worcestershire sauce. I'm not really, I haven't really used that in my time of cooking. I always just made a homemade type of sauce mixture. But I mean, adding that to the seasonings that I put in, it might even make it good. And then I use avocado oil as my little base to keep the seasonings attached to the chicken. This is how the chicken looking. You know what I'm saying? Real seasoned, real good eats. So I'm gonna go ahead and stack this thing up on the little pan. Go ahead and throw these on the pan. How long should I bake it? What temperature? Should I do 350? So I'm gonna let that chicken heat up. I'm gonna throw this thing in the oven, but I'm gonna let it cook for about an hour. Well, really about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it and then cook it for another 30 minutes. So while the oven is preheating, I'm finna just sit here and lay down, bro. I'm not gonna go to sleep though, cause I still gotta get this stuff. But I'm gonna just lay down because my head is pounding, bro. My head is in pain. I'm low-key so tempted to take these barrels out, bro. I don't know what to do. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these things in the oven. 30 minutes set. Bro, I was sitting there watching the little Duke Dennis vlog, man. The Super Bowl weekend, bro. Like up the channel, bro. Like up the channel, subscribe, bro. I'm trying to be one of these celebrity things. Content creator, the little football thing. I think they playing flag. Sub to the channel, like up the channel, like up the vids. Bro, I'm gonna get more content on the way. Stay tuned. I say this every vid. More content on the way. Cars, thing on vlogs, travels, bro. I'm gonna try to lock in for y'all, bro. I need better content. I need to be more entertaining. I'm gonna start posting, little clips on TikTok and stuff like that. Expand my little social media platforms. You know what I'm saying? We gonna grow. Just stay tuned, bro. I'm gonna cut up a little lemon and put the lemon outside. So I squirted some of the little lemons on there. And then now I'm just gonna place some of the lemons in between the chickens. It's just a little lemon slice, though. Not cut down the middle. For the next 30 minutes that it's gonna be cooking, I'm gonna flip them over and let it cook on the other side. Let that cook for 30 minutes. I'm gonna let y'all see the finishing product.
A few moments later.
30 minutes have passed. This says add 1 cup of water. No, 2 cups. But I don't know how much 2 cups is compared to a red cup. So I'm just gonna add 1. I got the water boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and pour these in. So yeah, now everything all done. The little green things, they done. The chicken done. I think my dad's almost home too, so he came back like perfect timing. Y'all can't tell me the food don't look amazing, bro. With everything done. Make sure everything's off. Everything's done. Got the greens here. Got the little chicken. That's done. Now, I don't know. Bro, we had Hawaiian rolls. That would top it off perfectly. Dang, my camera's finna die. It's on 8%. But yeah, so I'm finna plate everything up. Get ready to eat. I'll tap it, go around a little bit. I'm watching YouTube while I eat my meal. But before I even start eating, and I don't think I record. I don't remember if I did it. Gave y'all a verse whenever I first started a vlog. But for this verse today, I'm gonna give you Hebrews chapter 4, verse 10. It says, "For anyone who enters God's rest also rests from their works, just as God did from his." I already done finished eating my food, I done took a shower and everything, but now I'm finna go ahead and get ready for bed and start my day for tomorrow. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment down below what y'all see more on the channel, turn on post notifications, and tune in for the next video. I'll see y'all when the rest of y'all. Alright. This is what I noticed. Something could be